Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today, I'm just gonna be showing you guys my wiring. Well, yeah, of all of these. So basically, here, which ones do you guys think is wired up? I forgot which ones were wired up, but I believe it's this one. Yep. That one and this one? No. No, what? I know it's not this one. Let's look at the wiring on the back and see what's going on here. Oh, okay, so the ones that are being activated right now, you might not be able to tell which ones are being activated. But as you can see, just gonna look at these wires. These wires connected to the battery, and you can just see that these wires that are connected to this one, so are connected to these terminals. And then you can see that these things and the battery right there is connected to those terminals. Which means, yeah. So the only problem is that this thing won't stop unhooking. So it's really hard to get it to. To get it to stay. So I have to do so much work just to get this little thing on the thing to the thing for the thing to work. Because without the circuit, it's not going to work. Because it can't physically possibly work. Okay. So basically, I'm just going to tell you guys something. If these two things are touching terminals, it's going to go off. As you can hear, it's going off. It's going off. And that's because when these two wires touch, it creates a circuit. Because when you pull it, it flips a switch, a button, or whatever it is. What it actually does is it combines both circuits together, which basically combines the metal to the two pieces, sending it in a little circuit that performs well with, basically the circuit, so it'll work. So that's just how that works. And I just had to work that out. Okay, so basically, I need more electrical tape. Alright, this is not working. Freaking all. This is not working. So what I need to do, I need to get the box. The box of alarm stuff. This thing. Okay, here we go. And I need to get my electrical tape. And there's that. No. Get my electrical tape. All I have to do is this. Get a lifter. Just big but small. And then now all I have to do is just to put this right here, put it on the terminal, push it down with that one, and then, last but not least, just take this and give it some more. Take this, put it on there, just give it some more support to put some more in, like on the thing. Okay, so now what I'm gonna start with now is I'm gonna wire it to some things. So basically, like today, I'm gonna wire it to this one. What I do, I think you have to do, is unscrew this one. You unscrew them both. And after they're unscrewed, what I do is I just put the black wire in there and screw it down like that. And then same thing with the other wire. You just put it in, just put it on there, and you screw it, and then you screw it down. The reason why it was just going off is because these two things were just touching. And yeah, so basically, so now this one is wired to sound. So if I touch these two copper wires together, it's gonna beep. But since they're not touching now, it's not gonna work, meaning that's gonna act like a normal pulse is, and it's just when I pull it, it's gonna go off. Like so. Like so. Like this. And once you reset it, it stops. And yes, this is an FCI MS2 file alarm little box thing. But if you don't want to wire them both up, what you do, well, what I do is I just take the thing, the required thing. Now, with the BGA, it's a little bit easier. But what I do with the BGA is I would electrical tape these two together. But now I just figure out an easier way where I just tangle them. I just wind them together. Okay, so that one's winded. Now the other one. And since they come with 4 little circuit terminals, so right now, this siren and this siren, both of the sirens are connected to one pull station. So now, when I pull it, they're both gonna go off. And so for when I reset it, they both stop, which is nice because it's very, very, very loud, and it really sucks to hear. Oh, I just stopped at the right time. I just gotta do this real quick. And I personally, it's so loud with the 2 sirens. I personally really don't. Oh, jeez. That was loud. Okay. If I let go of this button, it's gonna be so freaking loud. So I have to be super, super careful with this. Okay. So basically, what's going on here is that I'm gonna electrical tape this thing to thy thing, so thy thing won't just set off automatically. So, because I don't, That thing is so loud, bro. Oh, I stopped it right at the perfect time. Oh, I let go of that button. Oh no. Once you let go of the button, it's game over. Trust me. Once you let go of that dumb button, it's game over. It's gonna go off, and it is going to hurt. Ah, jeez, it's so loud. Oh my goodness. Stop. Okay. Now this one is all wired up to where I can use the stick like 100 times and it's not gonna break or like any of that. But this one is broken, so it's not gonna work, as in I'm going to wire it to a different one now. Because as you can hear and see, that was way too loud. So basically what I'm gonna do is, the hard part is that these are super winded together. So it's like pretty hard for them to get unwinded from each other. Okay. Unwind this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to wire it up to the BQ10, and I guess that'll be the end of the video. Go wire this one back up to the BQ10. So the black wire, though, goes on the right terminal. But the red wire goes on the left terminal. So, yeah. They just clamp them down with the screwdriver or power thing. Oh, jeez! Oh, no. The screw came out and this whole thing just busted. That's alright. It's okay. Okay, there we go. Fixed and perfect. Okay, but now, here's a problem. Oh, geez. Just to let you know, copper is very sharp. Like, extremely sharp. So, just to let you know. Just for safety reasons. Because it's mighty sharp. Just gonna say that. And it really hurts. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this. Put it back up. So now, once I fall down, that alarm's gonna go off. So, and once I reset it, pull down. And there's the inside. Once I push in the button, turns off. So this is the inside. So yeah. Yeah. So you just push in, pull down. And yeah. I guess that's it for this video. See you guys next video. Bye guys.